welcome to another video. So today we're fitting coilovers to the E60 at my mate Jake's garage. Now he's actually got his own business called JB Auto Services. I'll tag his company below, but if you're around Lowestoft, just make sure give his page a like, and if you need any work done, he does pretty much anything. Just give him a message, but he does it from home. He's got a ramp in his garage, which is sick. So yeah, but we're now fitting coilovers. I went with FKs in the end, but the wheels are already off. Yeah, and I'll catch up with you when we on the next step. So he's got this scissor lift in his garage, which is pretty cool. But yeah, Batley's helping me today. We call him Batley, so if I hear him say Batley today, so he's gonna help me fit coilovers. So everyone,
hi guys.
We'll call him Jake today.
How are we? So we've got a E65 series. I've personally got one myself. Just gonna fit a set of coilovers today. I'm actually looking forward to doing this because I might even decide for myself to actually fit mine, or even get a set. Mine's actually on a set of e-bag springs at the minute. That's how we get on. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. So, well, like I say, we've already took the wheels off, unfortunately. Nathan's got a picture of how it sits before. We'll get the coilovers on and then see how it is.
So basically I had my camera in my car. I wasn't going to film today, but we decided why not. So I'll find a photo of roughly what it's sort of. You're gonna have to excuse my hair because like I said, I weren't even gonna film today, so it's all a bit mad. Oh mate, 2 seconds, I'm gonna have to sort this shit. Right, sorted that out. So yeah, I'll find a photo from when I first got the car or near enough, and you'll be able to gauge how high it was. But I put it in the forum, which you guys in the BMW forum, there's a guy called Nathan. You're the man, honestly, guy's a legend, and he helped me out. Went with FKs because that's what he ran on his, and they seem the best ones. So I'm not going to go stupid. I still want to, but I just want to, you know, I like lower cars, so I'm going to have to lower it a little bit. But yeah, we'll get to it. And also, whilst I'm on the subject of shouting people out, CYLED, I brought loads of stuff off him. He's the guy in the bin, like the E60 form that everyone recommends. He is the man. Like, I bought, what did I buy off him? Number plate units, all the bulbs are inside. They come within, I think it was a day or two, and the guy's just a legend. So if you need any like bulbs or anything for your E60, 5 Series, or any BMW, just give him a message. I think I'll drop his thing below, but it's CYLED, and he'll sort you out. And as well, I got my front windows tinted, so you can't really tell, because obviously the windows are down, and I just meant to show you. I'm an absolute melon. But yeah, Auto Vision done them, place in Lowestoft. But I matched the rears in the end. I was going to go darker on the rear because the rears are like the glass. It's not like a film. It's actually like tinted. If you're not, yeah. So they could have tinted over it and gone darker on the front. But I thought I can't be asked for police attention, so kept it like that. They're still dark. They look cool as. And I'm coming back for a vengeance, lads. That's getting wrapped in black. My mate gave me some wrap the other day, which is down there. All these trims are getting done in black. So stay tuned for another fail video. As well, I need opinions. Them bars in the front, what colour do I do them? So drop a comment below what colour you think I should do them bars, and I think that colour thing will go with the calipers and that. I was thinking yellow, colour coded, or silver, but just leave a comment below, and yeah. And you already know I'm repping the socks and sliders today, lads. Wee. So that was just saying, first of all you got to get to the top mounts, because I thought the rears were separate, but it's all one, so you got to get to the top mount. In.
Okay, I'll just take this trim off, and then we can gain access to the actual top mount bolt itself. Here.
So the top mount's right at the back.
Yeah, right up here. So all we've got to do.
Get down, man.
Got two options. Because we're actually using your existing top mounts, what we'll do is we'll undo the 3 13mm bolts, and that'll drop the whole thing down.
So to take the rear off, there's actually just a pinch bolt down there. You won't be able to see, but there's one pinch bolt down the bottom. Loosen that and the top, and then the whole thing should pretty much drop out. So all the bolts are out for the shock, but you actually have to loosen or take. Yeah, you got to take the liner out because it catches. I need a torch. Hang on. Right. So you can roughly see up there it gets caught, so you need to take the liner out, which ain't too hard. Right, that's the arch liner out. Yeah, that's just there.
There we go.
And there we are. There's one out. Now you've got to take the top mount off that and put it on the new strut.
Yeah, we'll get the rear one all set up and prepared first, and then we'll.
Oh, so top man's now coming off.
Yeah, we're gonna get a spring.
We're gonna get dicey with it.
No, we're gonna do it properly.
Oh, he's doing it properly. Boo. But there's yeah, that's the rear, one of the rears. FK.
Oh.
Whew. Was anticlimactic thing.
So that come off pretty easy, to be honest.
Right, so what we're gonna do is put them on the car. We'll adjust them a little bit. We're just gonna make sure, obviously, they're all the same, and then see how it sits. And then if you want to go lower or raise it up, you know how it is. Coilover's a lot of fiddling about, but that rear is now ready to go on. So I'll film one rear, one front, just so you know how to do that, and then I'll just show you the end product, or the end result, I should say. End product, like what? Are you mad? Lads and lasses, yeah. Always remember to copper grease your shit, because if you try work on these in like a year or two's time, yeah, through experience, that ain't coming undone, mate, without some brute force or fire. Do you know what I'm saying? So copper grease. It wouldn't be an N77 BMX video if this lump of shit didn't turn up. Actually, that was me, Carlos. Oh, and Reese as well. So, one side is all in. Batley's now putting that side back together. Rapid mechanic, mate. Should work for an F1 team. Carl, mate. What happened when we tried fitting coilovers to a car? Right. So basically, Mr. Carlos. What happened was, he bought some coilovers, didn't do his research. As we went to fit them, they were about, what, 2 mil too skinny for the hub. He put it in, he spent ages trying to get this pinch bolt out. He'd done it, yeah. And he does everything up and he's like, right, that side's done. My mate grabbed it, shook it, and it weren't even in properly. So he done all that and it didn't even fit. So, Carlos, professional mechanic, mate. Fucking man. So, just had a quick sausage roll break. We're now on to the front, which I believe is pinch bolt again, there, top mount, boom.
Mate, not even mechanic.
Couple of bolts, mate. It's only a couple of bolts. BMW pinch bolts, mate. Yeah. Right, so boys, quick update. It's now dark. Basically, the pinch bolt snapped, and Batley has actually spent all day trying to get it out, but it's done. So, it's now on the floor. We're gonna do a bit of adjustment, but you'll sort of get the idea of how we're sitting. The rear needs spaces big time, but and it still needs to settle. Cheers, comment. But it's on all fours.
Where's your wheels gone, Nathan?
Everything's alright anyway. Yeah.
To be fair, don't sit too bad, and it hasn't settled.
Mad lows, bro.
Mad lows! Whoa! You already know I'm gonna get that strictly static banner on this.
5 minutes to drop.
Yeah, 35 mil ain't a drop or some shit like that. You know how it is. Mate, I am so tired. I hate to say what Batley's like, mate. I've been up since 5:30 this morning.
Make sure that's safe.
So, yeah, it's done. If it's too dark tonight to get some clips off it, then I will get some tomorrow. But Batley, mate, you are honestly, you are an angel, my man. Like I said, I'll tag his Facebook page below, and if you're local to like Suffolk area, just give him a message if you want anything doing, because he'll sort you out. But if you need some stickers put on, just give him a message and I'll do it for you. You can't really see it at night time, but it is sitting sick. Oh boy, oh boy. And the front, I'm pretty buzzing with the front, but the front sits pretty mad to be fair. Probably could go down a bit, but I'm not gonna worry about that yet until I get wheels. Sick. And you can see the new bulbs from CYLED. Like, they are mad, boys. They are mad. And all the interior ones, which are also pretty damn bright, boys. Right, so coilover video. Literally, I don't think I got it across in the video. That day was probably the most stressful day. My pinch bolt snapped, we couldn't get it out. Obviously Jay and his dad and obviously Batley all helped get it out, absolute legends. I didn't film as much as I would like. It weren't as much of a tutorial as I wanted it to be, but obviously I can only apologise for that. Hopefully you kind of get a rough idea. Obviously it's not the best video, but the coilovers are on. They've been on for like 3 weeks now. They've been on quite a while. Literally, it drives sick. After the video, I let it settle. I dropped the front a little bit more. Yeah, left the rear. I dropped the front a bit more because I want it to be like a usable height. But I'll quickly show you because honestly, I'm so happy with this car. Let's have a gooses. but you sort of get the idea. So like I say, the front I dropped a bit more. The rear sits pretty fine. I'm buying new wheels, so I'm trying to find what wheels I want. I'm not setting a time limit on it. It's basically just, if I've got the money and the right wheels come up, I'm going to buy them. So that's why these wheels need spacers, but I'm not going to bother buying spacers. I may as well wait for wheels. So, but I'm pretty happy with it, man. Like, I could go lower, but because I do have people in my car, and I had a few family members in the car yesterday, and it started to scrape a little bit, and I just don't want the hassle of it. So I'm probably going to keep it at this height, to be fair. Like, maybe when I put wheels on it, obviously I'm going to adjust to the wheels, but it looks sick, man. Like, I'm actually buzzing with this car. Yeah, as well, I'll leave a link below of what these coilovers are, and obviously they're off eBay, but I'll leave a link to the ones I brought, because I can't fault them. Like, obviously I haven't had them ages, but I dropped the front about a week after. Obviously they come undone pretty sound. I know a week isn't long enough for them to corrode, but it looks sick, man. Like, I'm happy with this car. I'm slowly falling in love with it. I never thought I would, because it is just a daily, but all I'm gonna say is I'm looking for another project. Like, selling the 36 was the biggest mistake. I should have never have done it. It was stupid. For the amount of money I got for it, I was better off keeping it. But at the moment, in the time, I needed the money, so it's gone. I'm looking for another car. Probably by the end of the year, maybe. It all depends. Like, the 36 come up at the wrong time, but for good money, so I bought it. Same thing happens again, I'll do it. If not, I'm not in a rush. My clothing brand's #1 priority. Project car's #2. So clothing brand is in the works, but with all this COVID shit, it's paused it for a minute. It was honestly, we started to sail. We were clean sailing boys, and then obviously the whole COVID thing come along and ruined it. But we'll be back on that very soon. But I am looking for a project car pretty straight after. Like, once the clothing brand's up, or at least close to being up, project car will come. But yeah, we'll now go back to the coilover video, where I outro the video. But you're all legends, stay safe, peace. Right, I'm gonna leave that there. Thank you for watching. I hope you learnt something. I know I didn't document too much.
Don't buy an E60.
Don't buy an E60, or don't put coilovers on an E60. Me and Karl have been backwards and forwards to different shops all day trying to get different things. This has been a nightmare, but I'm so happy to see it on the floor. Honestly, buzzing. So, obviously, thank you so much to you guys, and Jay's dad. Literally, have some of the best people, man, honestly. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at that, look.